Yes, your garden will always look better after rain. The reason is because, the rain, it's natural. It comes from the sky. It picks up nitrogen in the air and drops it down when it rains. So basically, all your plants that are getting hit by rain are getting foliar fed by basically nitrogen fertilizer, except it's the best fertilizer that nature has provided. If you ever think of even your lawn area, if you think that it's been greener after a rain, and your plants too, if they look like a super dark green after it rains, it's not your imagination, because the rain actually does help to fertilize your plants. And here where I live, we get very, very few days of rain during the summer, sometimes none from June till September. It's pretty crazy. But this year we've been fortunate. We've had at least 2 to 3 days of pretty good rainfall amount. I don't think we had too much today. Yeah, just under maybe like a tenth of an inch. Yeah, right around a tenth of an inch. But hey, whatever helps, as long as it's hitting the leaves, then your plants are going to respond to that naturally, and they will start greening up. Now, some things won't, like your tomatoes, if they're starting to head out of the season. Like this is a determinate tomato. This is starting to head out. This is starting to head out. It's the season kind of gets prolonged. But it's just an amazing sight to see how something as little as just a little bit of rain can change your whole ecosystem, can change your whole, your plants and everything. So I just wanted to share this quick little video with you. I hope you subscribe and like this video for more gardening tips, tricks, and I'll be doing a series on budget gardening in the very near future, so I hope you subscribe for that as well.